Meet Luna, a Siamese cat whose elegance and charm are truly captivating. Luna's striking blue eyes are like windows to her soul, and her every movement exudes grace and beauty. Luna's days are filled with exploration. She's always on the lookout for new adventures, both indoors and outdoors. Her agility and balance are a sight to behold. Luna moves through the world with the poise of a dancer. But Luna isn't just about elegance and athleticism. She's a cuddle queen, always ready to share her warmth and love with her owner. Her gentle purring is like a soothing melody, and her affectionate kneading is a reminder of the love she brings. When it's playtime, Luna's vibrant personality shines. She's a bundle of joy, and her antics are endlessly entertaining. Luna's energy is boundless, and her playfulness is infectious. You can't help but smile when you watch her in action. One of Luna's favorite pastimes is basking in the warm glow of the sun. She finds peace and contentment in these moments. Luna's world comes alive when she gazes out of the window. She watches the world go by with a deep, contemplative gaze. As the day fades into night, Luna's silhouette against the window is a testament to the beauty that surrounds us. In Luna, the Siamese cat, we find a world of enchantment, beauty, and love. Her story is a reminder that the extraordinary can be found in the everyday. As you go about your day, take a moment to embrace the simple wonders around you. Luna certainly does.